Hello, this is Karen, and today I'd like to show you this quick and easy edging to corner crochet, or practically any crochet project that you want to do. It's really simple. It's single crochets and chains in the first row, and the second row is double crochet, and the last row, the very edging part, is some reverse single crochet. And this is how it looks. And I have this little swatch here where we can get started. And what you do is there's spaces here between each of the squares. You just go right into that space. Hook on your yarn. Pull up. And I like to do one chain, and I use both yarns to do that, just to lock it into place. And then go through, pull up your working yarn and pull through both loops there, and then there's a single crochet. And then we chain two, 1, 2, and then single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, yarn over. Okay, and you just do that right around there. Is single crochet and chain 2 to the next one right there, and chain 2. And then for the corners, for the corner right here, is you go right into the last stitch, right there, the last stitch, and you single crochet, chain 2, and then you single crochet again right in that same last stitch. So in the corner you have a single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 more single crochet. Then you just continue that all the way around, and I will meet up with you at the end over here. Hello, here I am. I'm back at the end of that row, the first row, and in the corner I did the single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet, and then I did 2 more single crochet, and then you just join it to the top of the beginning single crochet with the slip stitch. And there you have row 1. Then for row 2, it's really simple one. You chain 3, and that will count as the first double crochet. And then in this chain 2 space, you do 2 double crochets. And in each single crochet, you do a double crochet. And then go each space, chain 2 space, you do 2 double crochets. And for a double crochet, it's yarn over, go through, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, and go through 2. And then once you get to the corner, I'll show you what to do there. Let me quickly speed up a little bit and get you to that corner. And when you're doing the edging, you use the same yarn weight and the same hook size that you use for your main project. Okay, we're at the first corner, and what you do is you yarn over, and in this space right here, right here, the little chain 2 space. You do 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 double crochets. And that makes the little corner there. And again, I will finish that. Can't talk today. I will finish round 2 and meet it back up to you once we get to the end. I'm back right here at the last corner, and I just wanted to go over how to do the corner. I'm not sure if I made it as clear or not on the last, when I was last on. But you do a double crochet into the first single crochet of the corner, and then in the chain 2 space you do 2 double crochets, then you do 1 chain, then you do 2 more double crochets right in that corner. And then when you're done with that, you have that last single crochet there, and you just do a double crochet into there too. Make a smooth transition around the corner there. Then you do the last 2, and you could join this wherever you want on any of the spaces. You can start wherever you want. You can start in a corner, you can start wherever, so you don't have to start where I started. And then you go in and do a slip stitch right into the top of that beginning chain, and there you have it. Let me end off this one, and I'll do the last part in this color. So tighten that. Okay, this time let me just I'll start, I guess right here. You can start wherever you'd like to start, and in order to do that, you just attach the yarn, the chain, and then you do like you would a single crochet, except you do it backwards into the stitch right behind where you're working. Right there. Just go around, you go right in there, pull up a loop, and through both loops. Go around, pull up a loop, go through 2 loops, and you just go around all the way around the project. On this end, you can either sew this in, or just what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do my single crochets right over it. And you do this into the top of all the double crochets around. And it's a little bit of maneuvering, but once you get the hang of it, it goes pretty quickly. And see, that's the sort of look that it gives it. There's the back part. And I will show you this corner here once we get to it, and then I'll leave you off and meet up with you to do the slip stitch. And once you get to the corner, is you just do a reverse single in that space. See, here's the chain one. You just go right into the space underneath it, pull up a loop, and pull through. And then you just go back to doing that in the tops of all the double crochets around. And I will meet up with you when we get back up over here for the slip stitch. Thank you. Here we are, back at the last reverse single crochet, and you just go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then you just go through the top part. Yeah. Go through. Right here. And you just go through, pull it up, and you just attach it. Just pull it up through just like you'd normally do. Pull it tight and straighten it off, and then sew it around the back here. See. Oops, sorry, did I move the camera? And you just sew it in. Go back and forth a few times. Get this other end in. And there you go. And that's how it looks, and it's so quick and easy. And I was doing this blanket, which is this one here, which I was just doing corner to corner, and I was alternating between, I think this is stripes, red heart stripes, and black. And on the edge, as I did the same edging there, I did the, it's hard to tell because of the dark color, but there's the chain, the single crochet chain, then the double crochet, and the edging I decided to do in the bright color. And right up, see this here looks, I decided on this one is I wanted it to be a little bit more poofier than the regular one. I don't know if you can tell a little bit of difference here, but on this one here I did a reverse half double crochet, and this one here is the reverse single crochet, and I sort of like the way it turned out there. And see, there's the one, and here's the other. See, I sort of like that. So there's another option you can do, is the reversed half double instead of the reverse single. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and if I don't know the answer, I'll do my best to find out. And I'm not any expert or anything. So, but I just really like to crochet, and I like to share that with you. And if you like to show me any of your things, just you can post them on my Facebook page or tweet them to me on Twitter. Okay, well, have a great day. Bye.